Acne is a very difficult problem handled medically. There are some treatments, they're short-term and oftentimes very toxic for the body. Many times they don't last. And the question is, why do people get acne? Acne is an infection in small little glands in the skin, and they become pus-filled often. But why do they happen? They happen because the organ systems are not functioning properly and are unable to properly handle bacteria and other agents in the body. In order to restore this functionality and to help with this condition, we have to be able to identify what are these organs and functions that are not working properly. And nutrition response testing is a very effective way in order to be able to do that. If you'd like to know more about nutrition response testing and how it might help you with your acne, look at our website at michaelformandom.com.